I got a bit of it.
He's holding on because there's any more of it. All these cars behind must be picking area. There, we go through it again. You ready?
No, it's all long camera.
Oh, he's trying to overtake me. He's up my arse. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ, where am I going? I can't do 20 miles to this.
I don't think it's all like this.
Fucking hell. It's got red, so you just see the bits that are just out and are low. He's fucking doing it. The music, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful, look.
Look, you should only get one car park.